I think Karen is so invested in Jimmy and Kyle because I think she relates to people who are just starting out. I mean, she herself is still starting out. It's not like still hasn't gone to Broadway yet, you know. But I think she sort of takes comfort in people who are sort of still just starting out and who's someone she believes in and who needs just a leg up. And then, you know, she hears the song in the first episode of season 2 at the end of episode 1, and she just hears this song and she visualizes, you know, she has a huge imagination and she sees this potential for a huge show that she thinks that she could be a part of and help make come to life. The name of the song is called Good For You, and it's the opening for episode 3, and you see Karen in this awesome mosh pit, whatever you dream fantasy, whatever you want to call it, and you realize it's Karen's imagination, and she's pitching the song to Jack's character, Jack Davenport's character, Derek, and how it, you know, she's just pitching all these songs of how it will turn into an amazing musical, and this is basically her pitch. She really doesn't have any idea how this song would fit into this potential show because she's just met these new writers, and but she's just really passionate and really excited about these new writers and their new material.